So magandang araw kabole, sa video na ito pag-uusapan po natin bola. Ay madami, marami po kasi nangyari around the league kabole. Pag-uusapan natin meron daw bagong import ang San Miguel Beermen kabola. And of course, ang paparating po na superstar ng Converge, pag-uusapan din natin yan. So hindi pa nakasubscribe, pakipindot naman po yung subscription button na start po with comments ng mga fans. Sabi po ni Roger Hechakova, dapat talaga sabi niya, I doubt na si Tab Baldwin po kabola, hindi po yan ayos kabola nito pong si Al Francis Chua. So there's no way kasi Coach Tab Baldwin po ang papalit po na head coach. Pwede yan magpa-draft, sabi naman ni William Lim. Then Adrian Dulay, depende kay Kumeyan. Pag pinayagan ni Kumeyan with the farm team ni si Chua, hindi siyang makukuha ang star player at rising star na ilalagay sa dalawang paborito niyang team, SMB at BAGSM, sabi niya dito kabola. So ito na yung mga pinnings po around the league kabola. First kabola, kung hindi nyo pa po nabalitaan kabola, ito nga pong SMB may bago na pong import. Torren Jones po kabola ang pangalan kabola. Si Torren Jones kabola, mga fans sa SMB syempre excited kasi bagong import. Pero check out the guy is good, diba? Pero unfortunately the fit San Miguel will not be that good. Kasi this guy, Jones kabola, wala po siyang outside shooting o wala pong 3-point shot. Ibig sabihin, nahihirapan po yan kabola. Naisabay dito kay Junmar Pajardo. And of course, kapag mahirapan pong magsabay si Junmar Pajardo, dito pong import na ito kabola, alam naman natin na big issue yan kabola. Magiging malaking issue yan kabola for this San Miguel Beermen. Kasi kung gugustuhin nila yung maximize po yung import, someone sana nag-capable of hitting 3-point shot. Although of course, nakita nga natin na itong si Quincy Miller nag-struggle din talaga kabola with the San Miguel Beermen. Pero si Jones kabola, hindi rin naman siya ganun po in passing kabola or creating shots for his teammates. So talagang sa akin big question mark kabola kung magtatagal ito na import po ng San Miguel Beermen kabola. Converge 5 Xers kabola, finally their guy Justin Baldassar is with them. Nagpumirma na po siya ng kontrata kabola. So, maglalaro na po siya and a lot of fans of the Purple Nation is excited. Of course, this is the guy na binintay po nila ng more than one tournament kabola. Ito yung guy that they thank for kabola na we will play. So, this guy, for me, I'm also very high about him. Even Coach Tim Cone is high about him kabola. So, yung potential nito is napakataas kabola. Pero sa first tournament niya, dito po sa Commissioner's Cup, I expect him to average around 10 points, 9 rebounds, 2 assists, 1 steal, 1 block type of player kabola. Ganyan po yung averages na ina-expect po natin kay Baldassar kabola. Not monstrous kabola, pero kitang-kita mo kabola yung potential niya to become a dominant player in the PBA. And I do believe that he has all the tools kabola to become a dominant player dito nga po sa PBA kabola. Now, ito na nga kabola, no? Ito na nga. Ito pong si Stan Hardinger kabola at saka si Coach Tim Cone kabola. Meron pa sila hindi ganun kagandang pass. No, reveal yan ni Coach Tim Cone kabola na may mga talagang hindi daw sila nag-meet eye to eye kabola ni Stan Hardinger. And probably this is one of the reason kaya madali na lang po niyang hinayaan po na umalis through a trade kabola itong si Stan Hardinger. Even though he is clearly their best player kabola during that time. And for me though, this is very interesting kasi there's a possibility na yung reason niya to retire kabola is also one of this disagreement with the SMC. Kasi of course, nag-i-issue siya po sa San Miguel Beermen, nag-i-issue sa Northport, nag-i-issue sa with Ginebra kabola. So lahat ng inandela niya o pinuntang team, nag-i-issue siya. So this could be one of the reason kabola kung bakit siya nag-decide kabola na hindi na nga po tutuloy kabola into playing with this team. And that is a possibility. And if that is the case then there's a possibility na babalik siya. Especially po, what if binenta talaga ng Terra Firma yung franchise nila? Kabola, will that be enough reason for him to return? Yan po yung mga abangan natin. Kung makabang sa pag-game mo, babalik pa ba itong si Stan Hardinger? Comment na po sa baba.